the Russian coast, military officials run training missions to prepare for oil spills. 13 officers on board a Soviet-built Mi-14 helicopter get ready to fly to their next maneuver. But suddenly, a mechanical failure causes the engine to lose power. And this imaginary emergency becomes terrifyingly real. The rotors can't spin fast enough to gain altitude. The chopper crashes into the sea. The panicked pilot frantically tries to take off. But the aircraft nosedives instead. The spinning blades slice the water. Pieces snap off and fly in every direction. The turbulence twists apart the fuselage. And the body itself disintegrates. Survivors manage to escape the sinking wreckage and inflate a life raft. A rescue helicopter races against time to hoist them from the freezing 36-degree water. Finally, they're hauled to safety on board a nearby battleship. Thanks to a system malfunction, an effort to avert catastrophe became a maritime disaster.